Welcome to Glojas and good morning. Where are you from, sir?
I flew from Australia to come all the way here in Malaysia.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Super ready. Hello everyone. I'm gonna talk to you today about the hair transplant that I'm gonna get here at Glojas. I did my research. I was initially wanting to go to Turkey, but then I found this clinic here in Malaysia that can restore the hairline. They can achieve the goals that I wanted to. Throughout the years, I kind of lost the confidence, debating. I was contemplating doing it for about 2 to 3 years, and I finally made my decision. I'm getting my hairline restored today at Glojas. I found Dr. JasG could answer my questions. I did my research before booking my appointment. You can come in for a free consultation, and the team here is so qualified, so competent. I wanted to go with the conservative approach. That's why I'm only getting 1,500 grafts today, FUE. I recommend you doing your research to suit what's the best option for you. Dr. JasG is super skilled and qualified. He can resort to your hair loss completely. For me, messaging any questions that I had, they answer your questions super efficiently, super fast. I found that they had a really friendly approach. I'm super happy that I decided to come here in Malaysia because I know cost-wise and also the accommodation, I'm gonna heal from the hair transplant, so that was also a very good option for me. So I had a few questions. For example, I was concerned about shaving my head completely, but Dr. JasG told me that for me it was possible to keep my hair long and just do like minor touch-ups here and there along my forehead or my temple area. That's where I'm shedding the most. So only the donor area in the back is where it's gonna be partially shaven. But the front, I was told that I could keep my hair long, so that's honestly perfect for me. I'll be able to resume to my daily activities, so I didn't have to shave my head completely, and I could resume work earlier. So for me, that was honestly the best alternative. So thank you and stay tuned for the results.
As I connect the dots are disappearing and a line is appearing. This is the hairline from the left side to the center. On this side again, as I connect the dots are disappearing and there's a gradient of the line. So now it's a complete line. As I connect the dots in front here, and you get a second line that is appearing, and this area is called the widow's peak. And this hair is exactly in the widow's peak. And this is the area that receded we will fill up. And this is the area that receded we're going to fill up today.
Yes, I'm happy with the design.
Immediately after, all the grafts are intact. There's no much bleeding. The graft is in the right position. This is a surgical ornamental graft. Patient requested he wanted high density in this area and also in this area. This is the right frontal temporal angle. This is the forelock. This is the left frontal angle. Here is the hairline, and there is a bit of irregularity here, so that the results looks more natural, and irregularity on this side. So this is the hairline for this patient, and this whole thing is immediately up. Yes, now the procedure is over. How do you feel immediately after?
I feel really good. Honestly, the results are better than what I could have expected, and the procedure went well. It was painless. I didn't feel anything the whole time. I'm really happy with the results. Thank you.
All right, good.